How to delete Snapchat stickers. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete Snapchat stickers. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is make sure that you have the updated version of Snapchat. For that, open up your App Store and search for Snapchat. After you search for Snapchat, if you see an update button like this here, tap on the update button and update your app. After you update the app, you can then open up your Snapchat and take a snap. So I'll just click a picture like this. And to add stickers, you'll need to tap on this stickers icon right here. So you can add your stickers from here. So let's say I'm adding multiple stickers. You can add whichever stickers that you want. So I'll just do this. I'll just let it be like this. And you can also do a cutout of stickers. So you can make a sticker from your image. So let's say I'm just putting out this Y here and I have a sticker like this. Now to delete a sticker from your snap, what you'll need to do is select on the sticker, and if you drag it, you will see a trash icon on the bottom. Simply hover it over the trash icon and then release, and that should delete the stickers. So let me do that again. Drag and drop and you're gone. It's the same for the custom stickers that you did. So just do it like this and you're good to go. And that's how you delete Snapchat stickers, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.